Ocean acidification has increasingly become a problem around the world. Among many other places, the Pacific Northwest Ocean has experienced an increase in acidification. Oceans all around the world are currently absorbing more than a quarter of the carbon dioxide emitted to the atmosphere by human activities. This is causing them to be more acidic. The more acidic oceans become, the more the potential for detrimental impacts to marine ecosystems increases. Higher latitude systems are particularly vulnerable. In the case of the Pacific Northwest, which is home to many U.S. coastal systems, acidification is increasing as a result of upwelling, the movement of cooler waters towards the surface. However, acidification can also occur as a result of changes in freshwater input and nutrient input. The current rate of ocean acidification hasn't been seen for at least the past 66 million years. It is currently held in high confidence that the rate of ocean acidification will continue to increase in the future. This evidence has been gathered through coastal carbon and acidification surveys across the U.S. coast. To determine evidence that human activities have contributed to the acidification of our oceans, multiple biogeochemical and transport ocean models and a couple observation-based estimates have been performed.